Hello. So the question here is asking, how has study of biology helped in controlling the infectious diseases? So let's see. First is discovery of vaccines and use of an immunization schedule. There has been several vaccines that has been used. Example, polio, measles, mumps, etc. With the help of vaccines, we are able to induce immunity in an individual who has not been previously infected, and in case in future the person gets infected with the pathogen, the vaccine will be able to prevent a full-fledged infection due to the pathogen. Okay, so vaccines have been very helpful in preventing infectious diseases. An immunization schedule has helped in keeping a track of the vaccines that have been already given and that are yet to be given. For example, vaccines like polio, measles, mumps, etc. are already in use. Okay, out of this, polio has been already eliminated now. Moving on to the next point, discovery of antibiotics like penicillin. Okay, so the discovery of antibiotics was revolutionary in the field of medicine. Before antibiotics came, infectious diseases was one of the major causes of death around the globe. So antibiotics were one of the most important discoveries ever made in the science of biology. Moving on to the next point, discovery of pathogens, understanding their life cycle, and role of vectors in transmission of diseases has helped us in taking early preventive measures. With the discovery of pathogens and understanding what diseases they cause and their life cycle, their habitat, and their role of vectors in the transmission of the disease has helped us immensely in breaking the chain of transmission. For example, when you know the habitat, you can prevent the growth of these pathogens, okay? When you know the role of vectors in the transmission, you can break the chain of transmission by preventing the vector. So it has helped immensely in taking early preventive measures in the prevention of infectious diseases. And finally, moving on to the last point, use of biotechnology to create newer drugs and safer vaccines. Okay, so previously we used to use a whole antigen particle to induce immunity in vaccines, but now we are able to use only the specific part of the antigen which induces immunity instead of the whole antigenic particle. So this has helped in prevention of a number of side effects and also the allergic reactions. So summing up now, how study of biology has helped us in controlling the infectious diseases. First is discovery of vaccines, which has prevented infectious diseases. Second is antibiotics, which has cured infectious diseases. Third is discovery of pathogens and understanding their life cycle and the role of vectors in their transmission has helped in breaking the chain of transmission of the diseases. Okay. And lastly, use of biotechnology to create newer drugs and safer vaccines. So I hope you followed. Thank you.